a couple laps.
I'm recording.
All the trains want to start. And slow them down, then we're just going to let them go. And that's the word of the race gets thrown. But we're going to let them go one time and make sure everything's good. Next time, we'll be wait lap. We'll go one more time around. Race fans, I want everyone out of your seat. These drivers have been signaled that they want to see you on your feet.
Whoa!
These drivers got speed for the next 1 hour.
Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Jesus Christ! I never seen so many cars in my life.
2021, this has been 53 cars last year. You matched that record this year with 53 of the best drivers. Getting ready for a 1 hour. Second annual Ford 1 hour Enduro. Miranda, any final thoughts? Final thoughts. What do you think? What do you think? Gonna start 1 to green this time by all these drivers I've talked to, each and every one of them all week. And they said, you know what, you have to have a little bit of luck, but man, they are nervous. Yeah. And they're going to get 1 to go this time by T-Rex, Tim Smith, Zachary Cecil, and Ryan Whipple is going to be on row number 1. At the line, race fans, who's ready for this one? 53 cars, oh my. As Don Lister used to always say, and I'm getting ready to watch out, all full throttle, here we go. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're all going to find out together. 53 of the best drivers. Clock will start when the green flag passes the line.
53 Crown.
Here we go.
Oh, they're going! They're going!